Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be using just a regular canvas that you would purchase at any local craft store. And when I work with these canvases, what I like to do is I like to put a towel in the back of the surface that looks hollow. This way it gives you a little bit more support in the back when you're doing your design. Now I'm going to be using our beautiful new Love Grows transfer from Chalk Couture. And I have to tell you, this is going to be perfect for the spring and gardening season. This would be great in a kitchen, or if you have a little covered garden area, you put this in there. But this design is so cute and the design possibilities are endless. So what makes Chalk Couture transfers different is all of our transfers are reusable. So once you're done with your transfers, you clean them up with water and Clorox wipes, and then you restore them again for future use. Now, since this transfer was new, as you saw a few seconds ago, I did something called fuzzing up our transfers. And all that means is I put my transfer on a terry cloth towel to get a little bit of fuzz on the back before I apply it to the surface area. Now, once I do that, I'm going to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in my screen print, and then I'm going to apply our Chalkology chalk paste. Now all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, and what that means is as long as you don't seal your project, you can absolutely change out your design over and over again as long as it is on any non-porous surface. Now working with canvas, this is a porous surface, so I won't be able to do that. So what you just saw there was something called blending. And what that means is I took two different colors, I put them on my transfer, and honestly, I just used my finger, did it in a circular motion, and combined the two colors together. And it just kind of gives you a more textured look, which is absolutely cool. So you guys, this would make a really great fun workshop. So you can be a part of Chalk Couture in many different ways. You can buy just as a regular customer rate on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. If you're local, we can absolutely host a workshop. Or if you want to be a designer like me and share this with your friends and family, get in touch with me at chalkinwithjen.com and make sure you subscribe below to see all the new fun things coming from Chalk Couture this season. Have a good evening.